Here. Yeah, you can't do that to me. I hate my nipples.
Is that a German pin?
Yeah.
Is that a fucking Juden? Holy crap! He found me.
I'm actually Jewish and German.
Huh?
I'm Jewish and German, actually. Cool.
That's an interesting.
There's a lot of people like you. My grandpa.
Okay, which way? Are you guys going that way again?
Well, I just got here, so yeah, I'm gonna head that way. Hopefully, if I don't get hit in the hip again. Alright.
Where are you guys going? You need a GoPro. I'm coming with us?
Need all the time anyway.
Down there?
Yeah, what the there's a mob of people just going that way. So.
Everyone's started here and then now they're only.
They're gonna just stay because they're just gonna get like mobbed.
Yeah, they're gonna get fucking stuck there like they did last game. They don't learn.
I mean, look at the age difference. Most of those, well, never mind. Actually, they're pretty damn big.
What they like to do is they like to crowd.
Why?
Nah, they're just fat. You can tell by the little ROTC mustache. You know, the forever 5 o'clock shadow.
The guy's fucking normal.
Yeah, no, I can't say anything. I can't grow a beard.
My beard's actually going through the stupid little mesh thing.
Yeah, right here too, on the cheeks.
Mine's all patchy and stupid.
Yeah, I can only grow this shit out really well.
It's my natural protection.
And I just shave all the side off.
Oh no, if I did it once where I shaved everything off. I was cleanly shaven. By Friday, I already had a decent little stubble going on. It was awesome.
Paper!
I wish I had a badass operator beard.
Right, like a...
I got my operator beard. You know what? That's what she said as well, but I can't really grow.
Like Chris Costly. You know,
Whoa, 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 whoa! I wish I could grow like that.
exactly.
I'll show you when we go out.
Oh wait, music.
What do you got in there?
You better not be fucking Lil Wayne.
What?
You better not be Lil Wayne because it's microphone up.
Lil Wayne.
Look at them, every single one of them cheating.
And like beyond the mic.
Is that Dropkick Murphys?
Nope. Hailstorm.
Sounds like it.
You better sit back. So I can hear this.
So what are we stemming along?
You running straight up? Where did you go? Very well.
Let's go! Oh, fuck, more jammed up.
Then everybody.
What do we got? do you got? What do you got? Huh?
I can't hear you.
Dude, what? Hit the corner, man. In the middle of the house. I mean, not the house, the business. I know! Are you kidding me? They're killing out there.
I was just up there. I was on the way to court.
Okay,
Trust me, we can make it all the way up there.
let's go then.
Go, let's just go. 1, 2, 3, go. Move over. You got a secondary by any chance?
Yeah. Put up, put up.
How was that shit? Wait for it to blow them up. What? Oh yeah, where are you shooting from?
Hit, 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 hit. Hit, fuck! Hit! Hit! Dead man walking! Dead man walking to garage! Dead man, oh fuck man, come on! Dead man walking! Dead man walking out of garage! Dead man walking out of garage! Dead man walking into port! Dead man walking into port! Dead man walking into port, oh fuck! Dead man walking into port! Dead man walking into port! Dead man walking out in port.
You didn't show me that.
Huh?
You didn't hear me when you shot me.
What?
You were all the way back, right?
Yeah, I was over there in a couple.
Yeah, I was the one that killed you.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you.
What? Dead man still walking in port and highly confused.
No, just what.